Hi guys, and welcome to Card Maker with Crystal. Today we're making a clean and simple split front Christmas card. It is so amazing, tiny star. It's just beautiful, and I'm going to show you how to make it with a 3D star. Look at the star. It's so beautiful. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card, and let's get started. You guys know I don't normally do cutting on screen, but for this card it's important for me to show you how to cut this. So you are designing this diagonally and you're running about 1/2 an inch from the right side and about 5/8 of an inch from the bottom. All right, now I'm going to cut this to be a perfect size for an A2 card. So I'm going to cut this at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Right. So now this is perfect for a A2 card. If I run my ruler from the top of here to the bottom, these two pieces will be running perfectly diagonal here. Now, what I want you to do, get yourself a ruler and mark up your ruler from the top here, see where it's stopping and make a mark. Then do the same thing for this side, mark up your ruler in the corner, see where it's stopping and make a mark. Right? So now I have two marks on my paper here, and I can tell you that this first one is 1 5/8 of an inch, and this one is 1 3/8 of an inch. So you're going 1 5/8 this way. So I'm going to grab my first piece of paper, which is going to be the gold one, mark it up on the actual paper, put where I want the mark to go, and then if I move it around a little bit, then I could do that for here as well. All right. So now we're going to bring in our paper cutter again, and we're going to cut from the top here to the mark that we made. Right, so line it up from the top to your mark, cut, so that's the top, and then line it up from the top again to the second mark that you made, cut. Right, now I am going to measure. So the first cut we had was 1 5/8, which is here. I'm going to go to 1 7/8 and measure that here, make a mark. Then I'm going to go to, we had 1 3/8 on this side, so I'm going to go up to 1 5/8 on this side. So you see my marks on the paper here. So now we have our design for a card here. Let's put these together and then we're going to do the star after. All right. So let's put this aside and let's design your star, because I mean, we want to create that big star on top here, and we're not going to put this flat star, we're going to make it 3D. So to make this star 3D, you're going to take your metal ruler and you're going to score this from the top here on all sides. So I'm going to continue doing that. Once you finish doing that, what I want you to do is squeeze and do this, then put it together, then squeeze and put these together as well, and then you have a 3D star. So what we're going to do now is going to install this star at the top of the card here as a feature on the actual card. I'm going to take 6 of these foam circles. These are 5/8 of an inch each of them. And I'm going to put glue on all of them because this is going to keep our star looking 3D. So I am going to install this now. I'm going to use my glue gun and I'm going to put a line of glue around this. Right. And I'm going to stick this onto the inside of my star so that the star will keep its shape. Like so. So now I'm going to put a whole bunch of glue just on this here. And then I'm going to install the star just at the top of the card right here.
Thanks so much for joining me while we made these amazing Christmas cards. I can't get enough of this. It's so easy, it's just how easy it is to make. Just boom, and you have your card done. You could do a whole bunch of these. Everyone will love these for Christmas. If you like this video, make sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you wouldn't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. Christmas in July. I think at the end of every video I'm saying Christmas in July. Listen, Merry Christmas, period. Bye.